Hi there. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of an automation bot that scrapes competitor pricing data from Google accurately, quickly, and without manual effort. Live Bot Demo, Real-Time Price Scraping. Let's start the bot and see it in action. First, we provide an Excel sheet as input, which contains the product list. The bot opens the browser, searches each product on Google, and scans the first 2 pages of results. It automatically filters out irrelevant links and selects only the relevant competitor websites, those that mention the MPIN in the title, description, or URL. From there, it visits each site and extracts the product name, price, and availability. The scraped data is then saved directly into a structured Excel sheet, ready for comparison or reporting. Key features of the ScraperBot's smart matching logic. It filters links that contain key identifiers like MPIN for better accuracy. Works across multiple websites, Google results plus e-commerce sites like Amazon and eBay. Organized output generates a clean Excel file with results per product, including price, link, and status. In stock, out of stock, check discontinued. Handles multiple products. Works through each item in your input sheet one by one. 90% plus accuracy. Most results are 85 to 90% accurate, while Amazon and eBay scraping delivers 100% accuracy. Expandable. We can add logic for more frequently used websites to increase accuracy up to 95%. Bot will export all the results into an organized Excel file, making it easy for you to analyze competitor listings, compare pricing trends, identify top-performing agents, and make data-driven decisions to stay ahead in the market. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.